Hey beautiful people, and welcome to another video. It's Kimberly and today's video is an IPSY unboxing video. I am super excited to film this with you guys because I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and I love unboxing videos because it always makes me feel like I'm getting a surprise, like I'm getting presents. So if you want to know what's in the IPSY Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus for September, keep watching. This is IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September. Awfully super duper cute, right? If you want more information on how to get an IPSY subscription, make sure you look below the video in the comment box. I will link everything up there. You can check IPSY out for yourself. Going right into this bag, starting with, Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I've always wanted to try this mascara. Let's just open it up. See, and that's where it's nice because you always get to try before you actually buy. It's supposed to give you major, big, huge, volumized lashes. So yeah, can't wait to try that. The next sample that's in my IPSY bag is from Tatcha. And this is the Soft Cream Cleanser. And I can't wait. I've heard so much about this brand. I haven't used them that much, but I'm really curious because I know that all the major, influencers and stuff are talking about Tatcha. So it's about time I check them out, right? Okay, so let me just see what this smells like. Oh, I think it smells just like some of their other products too. It has that same familiar smell. That was in the bag. Let me show you what else is in there. Ooh, we got a mini lipstick, and this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's see what color this is. This lipstick is in the color Dead Roses. Interesting, right? And that is the lipstick. Oh, it kind of looks like the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. Let's just try it on my hand. That is the gorgeous color. It's a matte shade. Very nice. Moving right along. This is a clarifying scalp scrub. So I guess it's really good for your scalp. My scalp flakes like crazy. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm not perfect, but it's like a scrub for your scalp. Oh, it smells really good. And this is from the brand Perfect Shine. It removes product buildup and impurities to reveal natural shine. And then there are two facial masks from the brand E-Nature and their sheet mask. There is a watery sheet mask, which is the Squeeze Green, which is a moisturizing and refining mask. And there is, I think you say Sika Herb, and that's a Restore Sheet Mask for skin relief. It's soothing and softening. So that was the Glam Bag, and now I'm going to show you guys what's in the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag Plus comes with 5 full-size products. So that's why the bag is a bit bigger, and it's also a little bit more expensive, but the value is always amazing. Make sure you check out my other unboxing videos just so you have an idea over time what you can expect to get. I'm just gonna pull the first product out of there, and that is clay mask, a detoxifying tightening clay mask from the brand Nina. I think it's Nina, N-E-N-A. And as you guys know, I'm a sucker for a good mask. And this is all natural too, and it's a clay mask. Full size. Now the next product I'm pulling out of the bag, this is from the brand Sunday Riley, and it's an all-in-one lactic acid treatment for exfoliating the skin to reveal radiance and younger looking skin. It visually brightens the appearance of dark spots, discoloration, and the look of fine lines and wrinkles. This is called Good Genes. This is what the box looks like. It's like a serum. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. Can be applied on top of a night cream and before your moisturizer. I will be trying this because I'm a sucker for a good product. The next product I am pulling out of here is El Maquillage. I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Multi-dimensional eye color. Look how pretty it is. There. Look at that. Stunning natural colors, perfect for fall. Really, really pretty. I love the packaging too. Very classy. I have 2 more products to go. Hang in there. There is a face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds from the brand Up Circle. This is what the box looks like. Ooh, this looks really kind of like a really good one. I don't know. But I love that it has coffee in it, right? So it says, shake the scrub to mix it before applying it to your damp face and then move in circular motions, rinse off and pat dry. Okay, I want to smell this because coffee, right? Here is some of the... Ooh, it smells like coffee. Oh, I need my coffee big time. Oh, I could smell this all day. If you love coffee, this scrub is good. And then we have liquid eyeliner from Uoma Beauty. I think it's Uoma. I don't know. It's spelled U-O-M-A. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's in the shade Blacker Than Black, which is amazing. This is the point. It's very, very thin. And let's see. Ooh, that's amazing, right? Very nice. Okay, so I can't wait to try that either. How amazing, right? All those products in one bag for 1 month. Well, guys, that was my video for today. I hope you saw some products you like. Let me know. Sound off below and let me know. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness every week. So make sure you tune back in next week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know the drill. And yeah, I will see you guys again next week with a brand new video.